Good morning and thanks for joining us this Monday, the 6th of June. I'm Sophia Mavridis, market analyst with Bell Direct. Week to date, the ASX 200 has gained 0.78%, with energy and materials gaining the most while utilities declined. Friday was a positive session with the ASX 200 closing 0.9% higher, led by materials and tech sectors, each advancing more than 2%. The major miners gained the most on Friday, boosted by demand for iron ore, as well as lithium stocks, which extended their rebound after Wednesday's sell-off. And the best performers were Champion Iron, CIA, Pilbara Minerals, PLS, Gold Road Resources, GOR, Liontown Resources, LTR, and Nickel Mines, NIC. And the worst performer was healthcare company Healius, HLS. And that followed an update that revealed EBIT just under $100 million compared to first half EBIT of $376 million. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients on Friday were Lake Resources, Fortescue Metals, Whitehaven Coal, BHP and CBA. Overseas, European and US equities declined following the release of a stronger than expected jobs report and its implication for monetary policy moving forward. The latest jobs report in the US saw that hiring in the US remained elevated in May. However, the sell-off was likely a reaction to fears that the Fed will be tightening monetary policy. The benchmark 10-year Treasury yield climbed after the report above 2.9%, and investors' fears around higher rates are around the possibility that it could cause an economic slowdown that could lead to a recession. And higher yields also discount the value of future earnings, making some stocks like tech less attractive. The Dow Jones closed 1.05% lower, the S&P 500 down 1.6%, and the Nasdaq down 2.5%. So as for what to watch today, following Wall Street, the Australian share market is set to fall 0.44% at the open this morning, going by the SPY futures. Today, also watch the share price movements of Liontown Resources, LTR, which is due to release an update to the market on its lithium agreement with Tesla. In economic data today, investors will be trading cautiously with all focus on the RBA's policy meeting tomorrow, as well as the European Central Bank's meeting on Thursday. In commodities, the oil price rallied after OPEC delivered a modest increase in output, deciding to increase production by 648,000 barrels per day in July and August, instead of the previously on 432,000 barrels per day. So this was seen as insufficient to compensate for Russia's loss of supply, as the European Union banned Russian oil. Now, Russian output has dropped by 1 million barrels per day since the invasion of Ukraine. On the other hand, the price of gold has extended losses following the US jobs report, while seaborne iron ore is rising higher. Now, companies going ex-dividend today include ALS Limited, that's ALQ, Liontown Resources, CIA, and Incitec Pivot, IPL. And to end on some trading ideas, Bell Potter maintain a buy rating on Accent Group, AX1, with a $2.20 price target. The company is a footwear and sports clothing retailer and are investing in its store rollout and customer engagement, particularly for vertical brands. Bell Potter sees their higher margin sales to likely become the major driver for margin improvement and earnings growth. And AX1 last closed at $1.34, implying 64.8% share price growth in a year. And Trading Central have identified a bullish signal in AMP, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $1.12 to the range of $1.24 to $1.26 over 21 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.